I wanted to take a moment to explain how I create master key skills lists. And this is important because who are applying to hundreds and hundreds of jobs and can't get interviews. The reason why this is happening is because they're putting their personal strength into their skills section. If you're in tech, you're probably putting your whole tech stack in. I reviewed a resume like that this morning. The client wasn't getting any interviews and was, of course, very frustrated. This tool I have invented reverse engineers 3 sample postings that are meant to be typical to that which you would apply. And it pulls out 15 hard and soft skills that all of the postings contain. For instance, if you are a program manager, you know that every program management job you apply to is going to have or the same core set of skills. That's the same concept I'm applying here, but it's more personalized because it's using my client would in fact apply to. And that's far superior to a list of skills that somebody who decided skills were the most important for a program manager in 2025. So this prompt asks ChatGPT to behave like an applicant tracking system. I tell it the type of position I'm hiring for, ask it to tell me the 15 hard and soft skills each of the 3 postings have in common. And I've already copied and pasted these postings. I'm going to hit enter. It's going to come back. Skills are in each of the postings that this person has sent me as samples. This is part of what's commonly referred to, even though it's a myth, as beating ATS. This is another client. Principal, same prompt, same jobs. When I hit enter, these hard and soft skills come up. I can also create a skills matrix showing which postings emphasize each skill. This is often helpful for programming in ATS. And that is how your resume is evaluated. Hiring manager tells HR, usually talent acquisition, what skills are most important to the job. And a matrix similar to this will be used to help evaluate the skills section. So this is why a personal strengths-based skills section is not getting you interviews. We're running this to see what it would do. And the point here is it just emphasizes which skills are the strongest. And says specifically, person needs to have these skills, top priority. And then it asked if I would like it to turn those into a keyword string like that used by HR when After the application period closes, they, meaning human being, not a robot, not an algorithm, go into the ATS to understand which resumes correlate best with the job open. Like or which skills appear in two postings. So let me show you what I have here. So I have two lists of skills. One is in black font, one is in red font. I'm going to do a frequency analysis. It's simply an alphabetical sort, and it tells me if anything similar, policy development, policy implementation is in here. I know that's one of the top skills, but ultimately, all of these skills go one way or the other into the skills section of the resume. This isn't a keyword stuffing exercise. You don't have to figure out how to weave these into the whole resume, just the skill. When you are a one-on-one client, I use it to build your master skills section. If you have purchased the interview magnet or the Career GPS Home Edition program to help you write your own resume or fix your own skills. Thanks for watching and listening. Bye.
I hope you found this information insightful and that you'll be able to use it going forward. If you're currently a client, feel free to reach out through the portal if you have any questions. You're also welcome to set up a meeting using the ad hoc meeting link that's in the portal. If you aren't yet a client, you've just experienced what it's like to work with a true career professional. Not some random LinkedIn member who decided to call themselves a professional resume writer. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Melissa Kelly. I hold multiple resume writing and coaching certifications, and I've invented a writing process that's so effective, it holds my industry's equivalent of the Nobel Prize. The name of this award is the Career Innovator Award. My certifications can be verified at the Professional Association of Resume Writers and Career Coaches. Find a writer page. My awards can be verified through Career Directors International's website. As my LinkedIn recommendations and clients will attest, I write resumes that get interviews and provide interview coaching that teaches and empowers you to interview for job offers, not just the next interview. In addition, I empower my clients to land their new jobs at an average $25,000 pay increase. If you'd like to learn more about how I might be able to help you and apply to be one of my clients yourself, message me on LinkedIn or visit the link in this slide to set up a consultation. Thanks for your time.